Hi guys, Keith Best here, and in this video I'm going to look at the Magic Page SEO settings. For version 6 of Magic Page, the SEO settings are now site-wide and not just on your Magic Page, which opens up a lot of things, which is really good. So first off, as you can see, this is the SEO settings block, and you've got meta title, meta description, meta keywords, canonical link, and then you've got your social title for your Twitter, like your cards and things like that. And obviously Facebook, and the same with the description. Now, if you've got a Twitter handle, then you can put them in there. I just never bother with them. These boxes here, you can put spin tags in them yourself. So you can put something like control, extermination, blah, blah, blah. And you can use shortcodes, you know, and things like that in them yourself. So you want to be a pipe and not a. But you can build them up like that yourself if you want to, but obviously the better way to do it is to use your spin tag shortcodes. So as you can see, I've got a residential domestic pest control location. So I've got these. Now I have got another video on keithbest.com which will show you how I generate these. These are probably not the best ones I've ever done. I do tend to do them a bit more in depth. But once you've got them, all you do is you copy that and put them in there. Then what happens is when the page is built, the Magic Page plugin will go through and it will pick one of these first and then it will unspin it. So you've got there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You've got 9 meta titles to choose from. So it's not only got 9, but because each one of them can be like a number of different variations. You've got a lot of different variations on your titles, and then you've got exactly the same thing on your meta descriptions. So that makes all of your meta titles, meta descriptions totally unique throughout the site, which when you're building a site which is like sort of your 100, 200 pages plus large, then you need them to be like that. Simply because one of Google's biggest like sort of expenses is scroll budget. Now, if they go through, they start reading pages and they read the meta title, meta description, and they start hitting the same meta title, meta description, same meta title, meta description, they just stop reading. So they might only read 50 pages and then forget about the rest of your site. If it doesn't get indexed, it can't rank. If it hasn't read it, it isn't going to index it. So you've got to make sure that your meta titles and meta descriptions are unique so that basically Google will actually index your sites. That's one way to do it. And like I say, this is on my Magic Page. If I hop over here, what I've done, this is the home page. Because I keep my Magic Page and home page very similar, my home page is what's going to rank for the main area, which is Clearwater. I've got the same meta titles and meta descriptions in. Okay. But then what I've done for this one, which is all about bed bugs, as you can see, I've created bedbug meta titles, bedbug meta descriptions, which is just these 3 here. I need some more putting in, but I've just created these ones. And the same with the bedbug treatment, I need some more putting in there. But these are absolutely brilliant because a lot of the SEO plugins didn't allow you to put spin text in and didn't allow you to use the shortcodes, which meant that when you built a evergreen site and then put it onto a new domain, you had to go through and you had to write all of these for every page. So if you've got 5 or 6 pages, it doesn't take that long, but it is a pain to do. Whereas now, with these, you can put the Xfield phone number in and you can make your location and you've got county in there And you can put all of the other shortcodes in, because you can even do your city shortcode where you do it as CSV titles, and just put 5 like that, and then basically just copy that and put that in there. Something like, we also cover cities count 5. And what that'll do, that'll put 5 different cities close to that area. So you can put things like that in now with them, which you couldn't do with the other SEO plugins. So this is a big change to Magic Page, a really good change, and it is simple to use. Okay, so get this used, get your stuff built up, and then basically when you've got an evergreen site, you're just going to be able to just pop them out and over and over and over again, and they're always going to be unique. Obviously, things like this need to be spun better. This is not spun at all. This is just for this demo. But, you know, you've got a bit like that. That's what it wants to be. These want to be spun as well. Okay, guys. Hope that was useful. Catch you on the next video. Bye.